Welcome to the first ever SheLeads Leadership Conference.
Fantastic event. We had a lot of constructive discussion, very transparent, and the best part was seeing the level of engagement from ELIP executive and the commitment from leadership to make this happen all together.
I am amazed on the investment that ABB has done for women, and I feel incredible, fortunate and proud of being part of this experience.
This conference has been wonderful. The feedback has been great. We can't wait to do it again.